everybody, can this, oh, wrong way, can this 40 pack of silicone nibs turn this into the ultimate writing experience with the iPad? Let's go in the studio and find out. Hey, by the way, 85mm Batis, new lens. How cool is this? I'm about 12 feet away, but I love the Tone on this thing. Anyways, let's go in the studio. Can this work? We're gonna go find out. Okay, can this $8 little box of nibs make this as good as the Remarkable or the Onyx Books Max or the paper? We're gonna find out right now. So let's open this up. This is a nib cover. I've got the link down in the description. It's a box of 40 of them. We're gonna open this thing up. There's orange ones. Let's see. Oh, it's like a whole package of them, okay? We got all kinds of nibs in here. So we're gonna go ahead and see what happens. So let's see how this works. Let's open up a note real quick. Let's just go add a new note. All right, here we go. Let's get the pencil out. First, let's see. There's the pencil working, right? Let's go ahead and erase it. It feels like we're writing on glass. And that's how it feels, right? So there it is. I don't know. I think we can double tap. I don't use this that much. There we go. Or double tap back to the eraser. I like that function. And then let's erase this. I could make the eraser a little bit bigger. But anyways, here we go. So it feels like we're writing on glass. So they give you 40 of these things. So let's see. By the way, this new text thing is really cool on the iPad. But let's open them up. Let's get one out here. Come on. Let's open them up. You know, as I do my reviews, we do everything real time here. So just getting the bag open is okay, I've had it. It's time to get out. We're not messing around. We'll get this bag open. Okay, that was easy. Get out a knife, because when you need a knife, the Orev works. Okay, so we are in, ready to roll. All right, let's see. Let's put the nib on. Boy, that really messes up the lighting. Okay, the nib is on, and I am going to write with the device. Okay. It's not bad. All right, it's okay. Like, it is okay. It's not fantastic. Maybe. But it's not bad. I actually like it better than, you don't feel like you're writing on glass. How can I say, what does this feel like? It feels like, what does it feel like? It doesn't feel like any of these other devices. It doesn't feel like you're writing on like on a Remarkable screen or an Onyx screen or a paper screen. There's no scratchiness. There's no feel. It just feels like softer, where if I take it off, let's see, it's like writing on glass. I definitely prefer the feel of this. It feels a lot better. Well, it's interesting. Would I recommend it? I don't know. It's different, that's for sure. For $8, it's worth a shot. You get 40 of them. If you have an iPad, it's not, I think the paper-like is better, like the paper feel kind of paper. This does kind of protect the tip, and it does, I mean, it feels okay. It feels soft and mushy. Okay, that's the best way to put it. Soft and mushy. So I've been waiting for these. Is it going to get me away from other devices? No. If you have an iPad and you're looking for a cheap way to make the writing experience a little bit better, I think it's okay. You get 40 of them. I hear they wear down in like a week. So they're going to wear down fast, especially if you use this a lot. But it does feel better. I got to tell you, it feels better. It's a compromise, right? It does work, and I think it can work for you if you've got an iPad and you don't want a Remarkable or a Note Air or another device that really feels like paper. I still don't want to put a screen protector on my iPad. That's why I wouldn't do it. So these actually would work better for me, and I'm actually going to leave one on there. So what is my rating on this? A 5 out of 10. I mean, it doesn't feel as good as these other styluses on the other devices, but if you got an iPad, you don't want to put a paper-like on, for $8, this little tip's better. I mean, it feels smooshy. That's the only way I can, it's not real writing experience, but at least it doesn't feel like I'm writing on glass. All right, so go have a great one. Thanks for watching. As always, much more coming. iPad competing with the Remarkable. I don't know, for $8. It works. Not my favorite. As always, let me know in the comments below what you think. All right, go have a great day. We'll see you in the next video.